guys, welcome back to my camera's YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you when I showed you a demonstration of the portable washing machine that I bought from Temu. I was doing it wrong, and my girl underscore romance underscore 8 underscore 28 underscore, that's her channel. Go check her out. She told me that she saw a video, and so I was putting washing the clothes and putting it in here. So she said this is only for dry. So I already washed it off camera. I just put a few of my socks in there. So now I'm gonna dry it and see. You can put too many. I just put a couple of my socks. So, and then I really didn't look what it says on here. So there's like 3 different how you say that, like timers on there, and the first one is for 10 minutes. This one is for 10 minutes. This one is for 15. And then this one says something about 2 minutes semi dehydration, whatever that means. And then this one says swish, but then you touch that button, you just press on it for 2 seconds, like a long press for 2 seconds, and it will either start or stop the machine. So I'm gonna try now to use it drying, or not really drying, because it's not gonna really dry it. It's just gonna rinse pretty much. So I'm gonna try this and see. I want to correct it with you guys, because I know one of my subscribers, she already ordered one, and I think she said she paid $10. That's a good price, so they won't get confused. Because me, sometimes I don't like watching reviews and stuff like that, or I don't like to read instructions sometimes, and so I really have to. So that's how I am, because I get irritated sometimes when I'm reading. I can understand I'm reading the instructions, and I get aggravated, and I stop doing it. Stop doing what I'm doing. That's something about me. I'm very impatient, and if something don't come out right the first time, I get aggravated and I let it go, and then I'll ask my son, somebody to come and help me. But that's the way I am, guys. I don't know if you guys are the same way, but that's the way I am. So they said press this and it should start it. Let's see if it's true. It says press for like 2 seconds, and is it on? Yeah, it's on. And it should start. Hold on. Yes, it did start. I was going all crazy the first time when I was showing you, because like I said, I wasn't reading the instructions. So yeah, guys, so this is okay. So that's on. That button is on 10 minutes. It's like standard. 15 minutes soft. But I think that's only, I don't know if that's for drying as well. And then 2 minutes semi dehydration. So I'm gonna try the 2 minutes and see what's that all about. Let's see. It's just these buttons, sometimes you touch them and they don't wanna, they don't wanna press. Come on. See? And then I'm just doing this with one hand, so I don't know. Okay. You see what I mean? The middle one is supposed to be for 10 minutes. I'm trying to press the other one and I don't want to press. So, it's working. It's like if you washing clothes in your own washing machine, but a little tiny. This is a great invention. The Chinese people, they do good inventions. Like, I'll give them that. They have pretty amazing gadgets. So I don't know about this one. This one don't want to turn on right now. So I just wanted to let you know about that I was doing it wrong and showing you the right way. But this is just the drying. You already seen me washing, but so when you wash it, when you're washing your clothes, take the white part out, because that's only for to put them in there so you can rinse it, so it can spin. And don't put a lot of clothes, just put like small piece, small cuts, and then it's not gonna work. And fill it up to the rim. Blooper, blooper. So fill it up to the brim up here. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I was doing it wrong. And like I said, my girl, underscore romance underscore 8 underscore 28 underscore, that's your channel name. If you haven't already gone check her out, tell her that I sent you. I'm gonna put her channel on a clip so you guys could go see her because she's amazing and I love her. I'm always watching her channel. I don't miss it for nothing. Yes, so be blessed, guys. Have a good weekend. It's Friday. It's TGIF. So my day went by super fast today. Thank God. Thank you, guys. And I'll talk to you on my next one. Bye. Be blessed.